move around your map, just click and hold, or touch and hold, and drag in any direction. There's a few ways to zoom in. You can double click or double tap on the map to zoom in at that point. Or you can move the mouse scroll wheel towards the screen. Touchscreen users can also place 2 fingers on the screen and move them together to zoom in. You can also use the plus sign on the scale bar to zoom in. And one final way to zoom in is to draw a box with our drag zoom tool. Select the tool, draw a box on the map window to zoom to that area. To zoom out, you can move the mouse scroll wheel away from the screen, or use the minus sign on the scale bar. Touchscreen users can place 2 fingers on the screen and move them apart to zoom out. Note that the map on display may change when you zoom in or out. In Great Britain, we display an Ordnance Survey map that's appropriate for your current scale. So you may see, for example, a road atlas, a regional, street or building outline style map.